The one thing learning demands is to be a beginner every single moment. Jai Hind and a very good evening to our respected program officers and everyone present here. I, Kritika Tiwari, on behalf of entire NSS BIT Durg, welcome you all in today's session on how to make a digital poster. Since we all know that this year we celebrated 74 years of our independence. So, on this auspicious occasion, NSS BIT Durg is conducting a digital poster making program. But since last few days, we have been getting a lot of queries about you guys not being very well acquainted with digital poster making. So, to answer your queries and ease your inhibitions, we have with us our NSS volunteer, Avinash Sharma sir, 5th Sem Mechanical, who is experienced in making digital posters and has been training volunteers regarding the same. Also, during the tutorials, if you have any queries or doubts, please feel free to write them in the chat box. We'll definitely try to answer them. So, now without wasting any time, I would like to call upon Avinash Sharma sir to take over. Please, sir, the stage is all yours.
Thank you, Kritika, for this heartwarming introduction. My greetings to all the volunteers who are present here. So, without taking much time, let's proceed with that. I'm turning off my video so we don't have this bandwidth issue. Let's start. I hope all the this presentation is visible to all. Is it?
Yes, it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, first of all, let's have a briefing about how the session will proceed. First, we have intro to graphic designing. Then we have a theory session on Canva. Then we will have a practical Canva session in which we will make a practical real poster on that. Then we will go for about competition that will brief you about the competition that is going to help. Then we have this interactive section general instructions for all. This whole thing will be around 40 to 60 minutes. Feel free to use the chat box for queries. Tech team will answer all your queries. We also have an interactive session in the last. So till then, keep your mics off for this smooth conduction. I think this general instruction slide is visible to all.
Yes, Avinash, we can proceed.
Okay. So the first thing is intro to the graphic designing. So we all know about the definition. We can Google it, but I more want to focus on this quote by Milton Glaser, co-founder of New York Magazine, that there are three responses to a piece of design: yes, no, and wow. Wow is the aim for it. Now, this serves the basic line for winning this competition, and we will guide you throughout the session about how to make this poster wow. So, moving ahead, when you Google about poster designing software, there are a lot of options available. Those are Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Adobe Spark, Canva, CorelDRAW, GIMP, Inkscape, and a lot of and there are endless list of that. Okay, so why do we prefer Canva? Canva is not in software. It's generally a kind of a website. So it's online. It requires no installation. It is free to use at most extent. No prior rigorous training required for using this particular software. Collaborative designing can be done. Uh, 10,000s of pre-designed editable templates are available, so you don't have to start the poster designing right from the scratch. You can use those templates for that. Simple GUI. It's GUI stands for graphical user interface. That means the it is very easy to use, and as you will work on this, you will find your own this advantage of this software. So here we ends up with the intro session. So let's begin with the theory portion of the Canva. So the theory sessions always start with accessing the Canva. So URL is displayed, and Gplay, we have Canva. The app is named as Canva. This Canva is available in website as well as app. App is available on Play Store, and website is here. You can see over here. The first result is of Canva only. My opinion is to use it on website because it has more feature than what it has on app. Let's move forward. So gearing up, when you will just enter the Canva website for the first time, it requires sign up. The sign up can be done with Google account, Facebook, or email. There's a lot of benefits of just signing up because it gives you a cloud space, collaborative designing, and many more. You will find it as the session proceeds. So it's my personal opinion that you should sign up in this platform. So one things to be noted is that when you design on Canva, it saves on the cloud space. You will see as the session proceeds. So this is the first home page. What you will see when you just complete up with the sign-in procedure. Desktop and mobile view is shown respectively on respective platforms. So let's have a closer look. It's a great website or a software to be explored. So we will focus on things which matters you the most. So first one is the template. The template option is present over here. We have various categories of this poster design. This templates are available in various categories. They are available in social media, personal, business, and they have subcategories. So it requires some self-exploratory work to explore that. Now on next we have this features tab. Features tabs generally includes this kind of things: photos, icons, print, apps, explore, where you can make social media handle links, or you can make the icon for you for your company or something like that. So it has the great features over there. Now, this now we come to the left column of this left column of this website, which is this recommended for you. All your designs, recent designs, brand kit, all your folders, trash. So let's go to the things which matters you. The first thing is all your designs. This all your designs have this the you say have the collection of previous designs made by you. So signing in gets this benefit to you. Your work is automatically saved in this cloud of Canva. Now at next we have this folder option. Folder, here we you can just create folder and organize your designs. Now here is a team. For this I have to go back one slide. You can see here one option is there. There's this create a team. Once you have created a team is comprising of 2 or 3 individual, or can be more, and they are collaboratively working on a particular or just a particular task, or on a particular poster. So they can make a team and they can invite through them emails. That is what we call collaborative designing. Once you enroll in the team, here you can see the teams in which you are enrolled. It is shown over here, and the currently active team is shown over here. Okay, so this team is currently active, and here we have the list of teams. Any person share If any person uploads anything to the Canva, it will share among the team only. So this was the basic introduction to the Canva. Now let's begin with the design procedure. For this, we will go to the home page of Canva. So this was the home page of Canva. Here, let's suppose we took a template. So templates are those things which designers or the users have already designed, and they have made it publicly available so that anyone can edit. So suppose we go to this template folder or template option, and we see this marketing. Suppose we go for the marketing and selected posters from them. I want to make a poster for marketing in the templates option. While after clicking on that particular option, you will get this a list of templates. There are many templates available. It can be selected as per your requirement. How much photographic content is there, how much text content is there. It is basically selected on the aspect that what is your requirement. Okay, once you select one template and once you click on the template, this editing window of this Canva opens up, where here is the what we say, the template that you have selected for editing. And on the left hand side we have recently used templates and templates which are frequently used in worldwide according to the current scenario. We can see this COVID posters are on suggestions. Okay, moving ahead. So let's begin with the hands-on experience while with this Canva. Okay, so I will change my presentation to the Canva's website and we will build a poster right now. I hope all things are visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Are
sir.
are we on Canva website?
Yes, sir, we are.
Okay, I'm just zooming out a little bit. Okay, so this is what we have, the editing window of Canva website. I have selected this template before that we will use this templates. In the first option, left column and left vertical column, we have this first option called templates. Here we have this recent use templates and templates according to the current scenario of the world. Now we have uploads. Now uploads is something which gives you this sign in is something that gives you the what is there any problem? Someone's page was
No, sir.
spoke. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, on the
No,
left hand
Vinas.
side, we have this uploads option where the previously uploaded file from the computer is are saved over here. You can see there are a lot of file I have saved over here because I have made a great a good quantity of this poster. So I have already uploaded many files. So this is something what you get after sign in. So I always say just sign in over there. If you don't want promotional email, uncheck them or unsubscribe from them. Now the second one is photos. Photos are those photos which are available on Canva website. Okay. Now we have this elements. Elements contains some important things or shapes that we generally use, that are like lines. You can see lines, triangles, clip arts, featured. We have clip art in the featured section. Then we have lines, shapes, frames. Frames is for inserting image. I will show this in a moment. Now we have this stickers, charts, and many more. Okay, so that is according to your design or design requirements. Then we have text because that's common that we need to add text in this thing. Then we have videos, and videos are like stock videos. You can use it over here. Now we can edit the background. We have folders, as I said, and we have this more option that's self-explanatory, or you can explore that. So let's start with the initial designing of this software, this poster. So just I click on this, remove this. I don't need this. I also don't need this. So I will click, and this can be resized. Okay, and now we just wait a minute. Okay, I have just on the right bottom we have the zoom option for that. Okay, I have just typed the text. I'm just copying it over here. So let's make a poster immediately. So India at 72, they're marching towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Let me copy the Atmanirbhar Bharat text over here. So here we have the Atmanirbhar Bharat text over here. Now what we need to edit is the photo right behind this. So let's have insert some photos. Yeah, for uploading photo, you have to click on this upload an image or video. And from device, so you will get the option to upload from device. I have already uploaded that photo, which I have decided to use it. So, okay, decided to use it. So, okay, there is two types of putting the photo into the template. One is in the frame, scroll it over the frame and it will go into the frame. The second way is to paste it like here. Okay, so this is like an individual photo, and here it is on the frame. Now, okay, so I will remove this thing, particular thing. Now I will need another photo as a frame, so I will add this. Okay, now I will use this text to add some text over here. So you can just drag and drop it over here and add some text. I have already copied those texts. So let me copy all the texts so that we can add them. So you guys can easily copy this. Okay, making a bullet point is from here. All the effects of text can be done from here, like shadow and all. So I have already have copied this. So let me paste. So here we have all the text which we will be using. This individual color is changed by selecting those texts of which you guys want to change the color, and you clicking on this option of text color and you can change from here. There's no issue. So this is how we can do that. Okay. Now we need one more thing. This I need. Let's add some graphics over here. So this can be added from the shapes. I'm using this square over here. So I have already copied that thing. So I'm just copying it over here. You can easily add that square, there's no problem. And let's add some Hindi quotes. Okay. Hindi quotes, we don't need to just specify a particular font for that. You can easily copy it from the Google Translate or someone like or somewhere like there and just paste it. It will automatically will generate will adjust the font with the type of text. Okay. Now I need some infographics. This infographic is created with we just downloaded this infographics. This is what we call infographic. Okay, and this can be easily searched in the Google. Okay, now we will add some data. Recently we have 5 pillars for this Atmanirbhar Bharat. We are trying to demonstrate over here. Those are economy, infrastructure, demography, systems, and demand. Okay. Now I think it is much better. Now I would like to add some one more image. So basically you will add it from here, uploads. You can add it from here. I just copied it from somewhere. So it is very easy. It's no problem over there. Okay, one thing you are seeing that is the transparency is increased, is decreased. Oh, sorry, increased transparency. You can increase the transparency or decrease it accordingly. So from this slider present on the right top corner, it is in the form of check boxes. Now I think so we need some borders over here. So for borders we don't have direct option. You need to just copy, just insert this line and rotate it by 90 degree and expand it over here like this. Wait for the 90 degree to show now and then expand it. So you can do like this. I can copy it from my design so that it will not take much time. Save your time. So here we have we added this borders to it. Okay, one problem is that sometimes image starts to blur out. So use HD image for that. This kind of image which have and transparent backgrounds are called PNG image. If you will add PNG to any format, the what we say, the background of the image will be automatically removed and it will become transparent. Okay, and now let's add some monos and all. Okay, from here, once you click on this image, you got a lot of info, a lot of options to edit it, like filter, effect, crop, flip, flip it vertical or flip it horizontal to make an image, make a mirror image of that. Now let's add some logo and all of NSS. And this is something that all are needed to do in their submission posters of the competition. The logo for NSS and this BIT Durg should be there. So let's add to photo. You can adjust the logo from there. Now this is something which happens when you will go over the frame. It will take, so you can use the arrow key for such things. It will take time, but that's the only option I think available. But maybe there will be or other options for that. So let's have this NSS logo. Let's add BIT's logo. This all are available on a folder. We will provide this the drive link of that folder in a moment. Also, you need to add this what we say, the social media links of VIT. We are available on Instagram, Facebook, as well as Twitter and Gmails. A person can contact on any of them. You can add it somewhere in the bottom. So you can add it somewhere in the bottom. It is not visible. Actually, we need to shorten this thing. Now the problem what is coming is that when we are clicking on this square, this photo is automatically got selected. So you need to click on position, send it to the backward 2 3 times. Now now this square will be automatically will be selected. Actually, it overlay that object of square, though that background pic which have higher transparency overlaid this um, square. Okay, we just remove this thing from its place. Now I think so we are better to go. We are good to go. Now, one, two, or three more points. From the share option, we can add someone to edit my design. Suppose I am adding this person. Okay. After typing this, press and enter. After that, this send invite link will be accepted. They will receive an email that you want to edit his or her design. So you both can work collaboratively on this particular thing. Okay, so this is what confirmation message looks like. Now here we have the download option. Download is on where uh, the download is available in various formats such as PNG, JPG, PDF, PDF print, and many. So beta options are those options which are paid, I think so. So we generally download it in PNG or JPG format. So let's click on JPG and click download. It will say take some time to render. Let's wait for that. Okay. I the The design has been downloaded. If it does not downloads automatically, you can click over here to download it. You can see the design is there. It is present in the PNG format. You guys can PNG is comparatively higher quality of image than JPEG. Okay, and here we have the posters for that. Okay, coming back to the presentation, here we ends up with this hands-on session of this webinar. Now coming back to the PPT, I think so PPT is visible.
Yes, Avinash.
Okay, thank you.
One more point, Avinash.
Yes,
Control plus Z, special good feature of Canva.
yeah.
Control
Okay,
plus
that's Endo. Okay. The Control plus Z and all other Control C, Control V options work very well on Canva. You can use that. In fact, you can copy a image from the Google and you can paste it over there. If the internet connection is tuned, then it will behave in a very proper way. There's no problem over there. Okay. Now we have ends up with this hands-on experience, some miscellaneous instructions. Then we have the interactive session where you can ask your doubt. As you all know, this session was conducted in sake of feedbacks received for this digital poster making competition. Now, as you complete your designing, you can submit your posters on this link. Okay, this link will be available in chat. I request technical team to share the respective links. This whole session will be uploaded on YouTube shortly on our channel. That's NSS BIT though. Again, the link to our channel is will be made available on the chat link. These slides are available on the PDF format on Google Drive. The link for this is will be also available on the chat. Technical team is taking charge for that. This whole presentation will be is uploaded in a PDF format. Now, for backup support, we just don't disconnect from you after this seminar. We will provide the backup support on this WhatsApp chat group. We have an experienced team for graphic designing. They will help you out if you face any problem while designing this thing. Me and my team is ready to help you. You are requested to join this WhatsApp group so that you can just we can resolve your problem and you will design your posters in a flow. The requirements of this NSS posters are as follows. This all posters should have logos and NSS BIT logos of NSS and BIT. All posters must have social media handle link. That is the ribbon that I posted that I pasted in the bottommost part of this hands-on session. The link to Google Drive folder with all BIT, NSS and all other requirements are pasted on chat by technical team. You can check from there. We don't only conduct one competition, we conduct a series of competition. So do follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube for more further this kind for getting knowledge about this sessions more further and knowledge about this competitions. Okay, or the links for this in Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, all are on this chat. So interactive session starts. You guys can turn on your mic and ask for doubt if anyone has.
Sir, good evening.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, in the elements column there is one option like we will have so many images, clip art images which can be copied from elements. Some are free, some are not free, I think.
Can you repeat, please? Your voice was not clear.
Sir, in the elements column, we have option of clip arts, in which some are free clip arts and some are not free. There is a pro written in it.
Yes, clip arts are those, they are available in two format. One is after you give them the pricing, so that that will must have a crown, I think so. That has the crown icon on it. So don't use that. You can search for
Yes.
appropriate clip art on this Google and upload that photo to the Canva and use that.
But then some of they have copyright option, no? Like some of the competitions, they ask us to, make original of that, and then
Every original icon is available on this Google. You can go for that. There's no problem over there. Just search like uh, the clip art and PNG. For example, Instagram icon PNG.
नहीं सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि जैसे हम गूगल से सर्च करते हैं तो वहां पे सब्जेक्टेड टू कॉपीराइट आता है, तो वो हम
Unless
इमेजेस यूज करने के बाद में जैसे जो पोस्टर के ऑर्गेनाइजर्स है वो बोलते हैं कि आप, हाँ,
unless you are using it for a marketing purpose in which you are getting the profit, you have to mention those copyrights. Okay, if you are using it for such a competition for an NPO, that's non-profit organization, you don't need to do that. And instead, if you need to use it for a financial purpose, you can just search that particular icon in stock images. Stock images are those images which are freely available, and you can use it on your own posters for financial purpose. There will be no copyright strike on that.
थैंक यू सर.
More questions?
Then sir,
No,
some
sir.
of the
Yes,
sir,
ask
some
her.
of the competition organizers, they ask that you have to provide a raw image or some kind of, in the poster, like in Photoshop we design and we provide the original image or raw image. So how do we provide raw images to these organizers?
Raw image, that means, can you please clarify?
Actually, sir, they say that some like something when we design in Photoshop, no. So they say that you have to provide some that the work is original, like you have made it. So
Okay,
in
you
Canva,
say
if we are
templates
making,
are
so
not
how?
accepted,
Yeah.
not accepted. Okay, I truly agree on that. In some competitions, though, that is a issue. But as far as this competition is concerned, we don't need that. You can edit the template, but the editing of template should be at an extent of 80 to 90%. Okay, it should not be originally copied. Okay, any more
Yes,
questions?
yes, sir. Thank you.
I
Kritika, okay,
uh,
Kritik,
I just want to add one point
जैन
that
मैम,
in for paid
मैम ये
paid
थोड़ा
क्या बोलते
एक
हैं
वेबिनार
paid
था ना, उसके लिए मैं कॉल
templates
किया था
you
जैन
can
मीट
use
पे करके.
use the paid one, but instead of downloading the
मैम एक
image
बार
you
मॉनिटर कर
can
लेते, देख लेते.
actually full screen the
हाँ
after completing your poster you can full screen in the poster and you can snip it from snipping tools instead of downloading. So
until you don't need to print it, you can easily do that. That's no issue over there. After print, if it is for printing purpose, the quality of image distorts. Any more questions?
No, so
Yes,
I guess we're done with the interactive sections.
So guys, stay tuned. I think so. All links are available. Is there is any issue or something like that? Otherwise, you can leave. We have a great session with you guys. All the technical and this team organizing behind this will remain on standby mode. Other can leave if they do not have any doubt or something like that.
We have a Thanksgiving. No, Kritika, over to you.
Thank you so much, sir, for this very interesting and descriptive session. And I would also like to thank the whole NSS team for organizing this webinar. Hopefully, this will help you guys with the competition. So, all the very best to every single participant present here. Also, the video of today's session will be available on our YouTube channel, and the link is provided to you in the chat box. And we'll also provide a link to all the utilities that you will need as an NSS BIT DILT volunteer to create a poster. So with this, we would like to end today's webinar. Thank you.
Organizing teams to stand by. Arushi is my ID. Don't bother about me or about that ID. Okay. Rest can move. NSS BIT, the technical team can take the charge.
Mohit.
We have Shabana ma'am with us. Actually, ma'am, we have just ended our session now.
Yes, ma'am.
Jain, ma'am.
Jai Hind, ma'am.
Jain ma'am.
I have full faith on my team. I know when you people are conducting something, it will be very nice. And I think it was very useful to the participants. The participants can write their feedback in the chat box. How was the webinar? Whether it was fruitful or useful for you people or not. Who were the people who gave the idea? Kritika Tiwari, I have seen last few lines which